for group ID, let's have a look at an alter generated automatically.
Specify the columns,
we
can change the tables and filter by the existing
and
database
insert the
objects.
value
And to
only
create a
intended
table
based
on
it.
it.
For example,
this
can be the value
command other
101,
database
which will
objects
automatically
and
form
even to
the
a table
database.
structure.
We can see
from
that
we
one
result.
row
Let's
has
take
been
a closer
inserted.
look at how
Let's
you
check
can
the
change
value
tables. We're
in
not
this
interested
table.
in the
You
history
can
of
use
these
an alter
snapshots,
table
but only the
command to
current
add a
state
new
of the
column.
database.
We say that group ID
is
is
inserted
automatically,
it is
equal to figure of 1.
column
Group
and
number
its
is
data type.
101.
Thus, for
As
example, we can
indicate,
add an
using
education
creation
column to the
year is equal
trainees
to
table
2020
to store
calendar
information
year
about their
and is
education.
inserted automatically
Drop
as
a
well.
column from a table,
And disband
replace
is
add
null
column
with
with
regular
specify
tables.
and define the
While
current
trying to
name.
insert an
So,
empty
for example,
value to group
we can
number
get rid
or
of the
null,
data
or we'll see an
column
error.
if we don't
This is
need
because
it. Thus,
while
table
creating
columns
the
can also
table,
be
we
renamed
specify
using
that
a
the
rename
values of
command.
this field
This
cannot
is
be
followed by the
empty.
current column
Now,
name,
let's create a trainee
and
field.
desired column
In addition to the surrogate primary key, this table also contains group ID foreign key. Additionally,
you can change
the value of this key, as well as all
this can be
trainees
done using an
attributes
alter
except for the
column
year of
command,
disbanding,
specifying a
has
column
not
name and
null
the desired
constraint.
data type. If
The
you need to
enrollment
specify
year has a
expressions
default
for conversion
value
from an
equal
old
to a
data
current
type to the
calendar
new
year.
one, you can
Moreover,
do this in the
a full
using
name
section.
column value
Let's
is
change the
generated
end date data
automatically
type to date.
when inserting and updating
In this
first
case,
and
the date
last
is
name
automatically
columns
converted to
and
January
consists
the
of the
1st
last
of the
and
year,
the first
according
name
to the using
separated by a
expression.
space.
Using set default
To
and drop
generate the
default
values
keywords,
to some
you can
columns
either
from
add or
others,
remove the
generated
default value
always
from a
as
column.
binding
This value is
used.
applied in case of
Stored
insert the data,
keyword
but don't
indicates that the
specify the
column is
column.
stored on disk
The
after being
constraints in a
generated,
table can also be
rather
controlled.
than being calculated
This is how you
every
can, for
time the
example,
table
add
is
or remove
queried.
a not null
Future
constraint.
versions of
With this
PostgreSQL will
constraint,
be able to
it's
support
required to
generating
specify
values
a
on
column
the fly,
without a default
but for
value.
now, store
Other
is the only
constraints
option
can be
available.
added using add constraint
Let's now
phrase.
create a trainees
But instead of
table.
an alter table,
We also
add
specify
constraint
the
full
schema
form
name
specifying
training
the name of the
data
constraint.
before the table
You can
name.
use a shortened one.
Let's run our
It specifies
script.
the constraint itself.
We see that it
For
is
example,
processed
check,
successfully.
but without the name and
Our
the
new
constraint
table
keyword.
also appeared in
this
the
case,
sidebar,
the name of the
as we
constraint
have
will
an
be generated
auto-commit
by
by
the
default.
DBMS. However,
And now
it
we
is a
can
good
try to
practice to
insert the
name
data
constraints.
into our new
For
trainees
example,
table.
you can create a check constraint to the set of valid values
We'll insert
for the
data
education
into group
column.
ID,
An
first
attempt to
name,
insert
last name,
any
and
other
birth date.
values, including empty ones, will cause an error. Using an alter command,
Group ID
you can
must
rename
be the
tables.
one that already
To
exists
do this,
in
you
the
just
groups
specify
table.
rename
That
to
is the
and
figure
a
of
new
1.
table name.
This is exactly the
Please
value
pay
that was
attention that the
automatically
existing views
generated
and
when inserting a
functions
value
referring to
into
this
the
table
dim
will have to
groups
be
table.
recreated
Indicate
with a
the
new
first
name.
and the last name.
Alter
For example,
command
Peter
usually takes a
Petrov,
few
and the
milliseconds
date of
to
birth, like
execute.
the 1st of January,
However, during this short
1989.
period of time, the database object being modified is completely unavailable.
Run the script.
Alter
We
command
can see that
also
the row
cannot
was
be
inserted
executed if the
successfully.
object is currently
Thanks to
locked
the
by
auto
another
commit, we
transaction.
can immediately see how
Due
this
to these
row
specific
looks
features,
in the
it is
trainees
not
table.
recommended to use
We
this
did not
command
specify
on objects
trainee
under
ID,
external
and it was
influence,
generated
as you can easily
automatically.
create
Became
a
a
long
figure of
chain
1.
transactions
We
that
specified
block each
group
other.
ID, so we see the
Typically,
figure of
database is
1
made
from the dim
temporarily
groups
unavailable
table.
before
The
objects
first
are
and the
modified.
last name are Peter Petrov. The full name was generated as the first